market about to crash? This is the big question we have. Are we on the edge of financial disaster that could happen very soon? That could wipe out all the savings, your investments, and even your jobs. Last few days, some of the world's most powerful billionaires, from Warren Buffett to Elon Musk, have issued warnings. These people have issued the warnings that sound almost like a prophecies that can make you some curious to know about that. And when billionaires speak, the world listens. This kind of the biggest billionaire speaks something, the world listen carefully. So what are they saying? What are not? The question is here that what these people are saying, we are not saying those things. Why? Are we heading toward another 2008? This is we're talking about the worst period, worst period than the 1929 style. Great.
But the
that
greatest
is
market turmoil came in April. Martin Devine,
that is
a
depression
shareholder
again.
from Scotland who is attending
Recession
the meeting
again.
today, wants to know,
the next
has the recent
few minutes I
market
will show you
volatility presented
exactly
Berkshire with
what
opportunities? And
they
Martin
say,
just wrote in an
why
addendum in the last
they are worried,
30
why
minutes or
this
so,
billionaires worried,
pointing out that you
and
mentioned
and
Berkshire
what you should
almost
do
invested $10 billion
protect your money
recently. I
before
wanted
it
to
is
know
too
if you
late.
could talk more about
So
that.
keep watching the complete video.
I can give you a good answer
Watch
to the
this
second
channel.
part, which is no. But 10 billion wouldn't have done that much, That's the other side, another side of it. What has happened in the last 30, 45 days, 100 days, whatever you want to pick up, whatever this period has been, is really nothing.
Let us begin with the voices of the giants we're talking about. First of all, I would like to know what Warren Buffett said.
In a fairly short
The
period of time.
oracle of the Omaha recently said at the Berkshire Hathaway's AGM. I do not think people understand how fragile global economic really is. But he told.
Were your investors as confident?
I think a few
Another part,
investors were.
what the Michael Burry said,
Some of them thought
the
you were
man
crazy. Some of them
who
thought
predicted the
you were
2008 crash.
I think.
Remember,
I
he
know
told
for
that time,
sure
has
some of
taken
them
massive
had lost
short
their mind.
positions again, betting billions on fall. He told that the billions are about to fall. Another, we're talking about the Elon Musk warned on X. The market is over leveraged, so get ready for that. This kind of predictions by these great people. Where Dalio is the founder of British Water, is talking about the debt cycle reaching an explosive. So question is that, are they just being cautious, or do they know something we want? So we do not. Or what they are thinking, they are trying to understand, is that clear that we do not? Let us go back to the history. In 1929, the stock prices were overvalued. There was euphoria, the boom, Black Tuesday. In 2000, the internet bubble, companies with zero profits had sky-high valuations. Try to remember all these points by talking about the past. In 2008, the real estate bubble, fueled by the submarine loans, loan was awarded to the real estate. The world economy collapsed in 2008. Hope you remember those days. Each time there was warnings. Each time the masses ignored. Each time people lost. Now we should understand what is happening right now. What today's happening. Now look at 2025. The stock markets are near all-time highs. Remember, if one thing is on climax, get ready for the worst. Central banks are drawing. Inflation is just sticky. Student loans, credit cards, hosting prices, all are breaking the records. Geopolitical instability from Middle East to Taiwan. And yet, everyone's acting like it is all normal. But look at the deeper. So look the deeper sense. Right? Companies are laying off people. Most important line you need to remember this. Interest rates are on top, on high. Consumer confidence is falling day by day. This is not a stability. This is a ticking bomb. Remember this. This is not the stability. This is the ticking bomb. Now, question is that what could trigger the crash? As you know that a war in the Middle East disrupting the oil supply completely. China dumping US, a massive tech bubble bursting due to AI hype, default in real estate or corporate bonds. One spark, and it could. One question comes into mind, everyone's mind. If crashes happens, banks may restrict withdrawals. If the crisis happens in future, bank may restrict the withdrawals. Stock markets, circuit breakers may, government may freeze assets temporarily. These are the consequences may happen in future. Remember 2008, until it happened, it looks dramatic. And now we are in an even more interconnected digital. No question comes into mind how we can protect ourselves. If this thing comes in future, how we can protect ourselves. So what can you do? Rule first, don't be panic, be prepared. Rule second, diversify. Don't keep all your money. Rule third, consider physical assets like gold, real estate and commodities. Rule fourth, keep some cash liquidity, the king during the crisis. If such crisis happens, keep some liquidity in yourself. Talking rule 5, upgrade your skills in the crash. Even if the crash does not come, being prepared only makes you. We have seen the history, we have heard the billionaires, we have looked at the numbers. So you should get ready for that. So now the question is, will you act or will you wait until it is to be happened? So we have to act accordingly. This is the big question in everyone's mind. If you found this video suitable, valuable, then must share with your friends, share with your colleagues, share with family members, because the biggest danger is not the crash. It is being unprepared when it happens. So get ready for that. I hope you like this video. If you're visiting this channel first time, kindly subscribe this channel. Till then, bye bye, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.